All right, I'm just checking. My camera kind of messed up on me, so I'm using my daughter's. I don't know if you can actually see me or not. But what I thought I'd do, by the way, this is Chase Me 8 1871. And I thought I'd make a little video. I don't know if you can see out there. We got about 9 inches of snow, or 8.5, somewhere around there. And I know I'm kind of getting sick of being in the house. So what I thought I'd do is make a little video, you know, to where we can bond a little bit, everybody, you know, in the middle of winter. So we're gonna have us a redneck campfire. And yeah, man, let's get this show on the road. As you can see, I've been busy digging the pit. You got the material in, and man, this is exactly what we need here. So let's go ahead and get this sucker rolling. Little primer fluid, just a little dab will do you. And I'm gonna try to set this here so I can get it lit for you. One. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's a redneck campfire right there. Oh yeah. I sure hope you guys are enjoying this as much as me. Oh, we better put some more wood on the fire. Oh yeah. This is great, people. Oh, I forgot we're lacking. We need something to stir the material with. Let's see here. Let's see. That one there. Nope. Yeah, okay. Now we got it. Yeah, there we go. Nothing like a good icicle. Oh, we're about out here. We need some more, I think. Oh, can you feel the love? Can you feel the warmth? I got the basketball here in case things get out of control. I can throw that on top, and when that pops, the compression will blow the fire out. I think ahead. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ain't nothing like a good winter campfire, redneck style. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, yes, the inks. I smell the ink. I know you can feel the love and the warmth. Took me a while to dig that pit out. Oh yeah. All right. Is that it? I better stir it around a minute. Now that right there is a good bed of coals. Yeah. Where's the hot dogs? Oh yeah. I really hate me some winter, but when I can spend it redneck style with y'all, I really like winter. Oh yes. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed the campfire as much as I did. It was a real blast, and I hope we can do it again sometime soon. But you know, it's kind of hard to get out in this kind of weather. Let me get my starting fluid out, or put up. Woo! Well, folks, I sure hope you enjoyed some redneck. There goes my redneck fan. Some redneck campfire with Chase Me 8 1871. That's the way we do it in Kansas. Peace out. Keep up the good work, folks. Out!